When cutting out those fiddly pieces, those little pieces that are left over, this bit sits over here, it's very important, as I mentioned before, that you must cut in this direction here, all right? But you cannot cut upwards here. You have to then swap that part around and start cutting downwards. You always have to cut downwards through the grain. If you cut upwards through the grain, it will split down the center and you'll ruin your part. The other thing is when you're dissecting two bits like this through the middle, if you just cut that with the scissors, it is likely that it could split down this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to score it with the scissors, which means you just sort of rub the sharp part of the scissors on the edge a tiny bit, and then I'm going to use my metal ruler to break the part in half. Okay, once that's done, I'll be able to use the scissors to cut downwards through that part and downwards through the other side. Okay, but dissecting it, cutting it in half, it could split if you're not careful.